Welcome back to the children's book Nook. Today's story is Mighty Machines, Fire Trucks. Did you know a fire truck is actually called a fire engine? They have so many awesome features and gadgets to help the firefighters fight fires safely. Let's dig in and find out just how cool these bad boys are. A call comes in to the fire station. A building is on fire. Firefighters rush to prepare. They all jump in the fire truck. The truck's lights flash and the siren screams. The fire truck speeds away. It arrives at the building in no time. Then it helps put out the fire. Fire trucks are used during emergencies. They carry firefighters and their gear. They are often found in cities and towns. Small fire trucks work on mountains. They drive over rough ground. Larger fire trucks work at airports. They put out airplane fires. Many fire trucks have ladders and cherry pickers. These help firefighters reach tall buildings. 4 posts called outriggers keep the trucks balanced. Fire trucks with hoses connect to standpipes and fire hydrants. A truck's pump panel controls the flow of water. Some trucks have water cannons. They spray water right from the truck. 8 people fit in the truck's cab. 2 sit in the front seat. The others sit on the jump seat behind them. The trucks store a lot of gear. They carry helmets, masks, and air tanks. Cutting tools and axes help firefighters enter places with speed. Fire trucks move fast to catch fires. They have what firefighters need to get the job done. These powerful machines help keep us safe. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss story time at the Children's Book Nook. Until next time, goodbye.